What's up guys, and welcome back to Wall Street Millennial. Today we're going to take a look at one of the most insane Wall Street Bets games we've seen on this channel so far. By studying the best traders on the Wall Street Bets forum, we can hopefully learn what they did to make such incredible gains and maximize our chances of being able to replicate their performance. Today we're talking about user WinnerTakesAll Funko King, who posted this screenshot of his Charles Schwab account up an impressive $1,225,000 in the past year. On this channel, usually we are used to seeing gains of tens of thousands of dollars, or occasionally in the hundreds of thousands. This is an almost unprecedented 7-figure gain off a base of only $65,000. For most of us, this amount of money is not really fathomable, so here are some things you can buy with $1.2 million. You could buy 5 of these brand new Ferraris. Most people will never get to sit in one Ferrari in their life. Or it could buy you this 7,000 square foot mansion at the asking price, featuring marble floors throughout and 2-story pillars out front. Or maybe you prefer putting it in prudent investments and collect a 6-figure annual passive income. But what did this Wall Street Bets trader do to make these gains? His winning strategy was buying long-duration calls on high-growth and innovative companies. As of the time of this post, he owned calls in Disney, Facebook, and Funko. Disney has been a strong performer, more than doubling over the past 5 years. Their success has been driven in part by the Marvel Cinematic Superhero franchise, which has made billions of dollars with blockbuster movies such as The Avengers and Thor. During the beginning of the pandemic, shares briefly fell more than 40% as the company was forced to shut down its amusement parks, which investors feared would be a significant drag on profitability. Fortunately, their recently launched streaming service, Disney Plus, was a huge success and helped offset the negative impact of the closed parks, and shares have massively outperformed since the March lows, rallying more than 110%. He also owned Facebook, which has had a similarly strong performance, increasing roughly 80% since its March lows. Facebook has been a strong beneficiary of the pandemic. The app's usage has soared as people are stuck at home with nothing else to do but browse their Facebook feed. While the previous 2 positions were in blue-chip large-cap stocks, his last holding was in the little-known company Funko Inc., which has a market cap of just $668 million. Funko manufactures licensed pop culture collectibles, best known for its licensed vinyl figurines and bobbleheads. Funko's collectible figurines have become popular as they target a wide range of consumers. They make a broad array of figures, ranging from Deadpool to animes. Their popularity has only increased during the pandemic, and shares are up more than 300% since the March lows. He chose high-quality stocks and bought call options to supercharge his returns. Importantly, all of his calls had long durations. For example, one of his Facebook calls doesn't expire until January 2022. This strategy makes his portfolio far less volatile compared to the weekly FDs we're used to seeing on the Wall Street Bets forum. If you have long-term conviction on a stock, it's usually better to play long-term call options, as this will just largely spare you from the irrational day-to-day movements of the stock market. Alright guys, that wraps it up for this video. If you have any recent gains or losses, let us know in the comments section below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Wall Street Millennial, signing out.